Meet the Dyson V15 Detect, a game-changer in cleaning technology. Its laser dust detection reveals what others leave behind. Tackle pet hair and dirt effortlessly across all floor types. The smart LCD screen optimizes your cleaning experience. Switch between heads for carpets and hard floors with ease. Experience hassle-free cleaning with no-touch bin emptying. Track cleaning stats live with the real-time display. Advanced tech meets modern design in every detail. Perfect for homes with pets, keeping spaces spotless. Versatile enough for high and low areas, anytime, anywhere. Effortlessly dock and charge in any modern space. With 100% more power than the Dyson V8, it's unstoppable. From handheld convenience to full-size cleaning, it adapts. Every tool you need is included for complete care. Achieve whole home deep cleaning with ease. Transforms effortlessly from floor cleaner to handheld device. Spot hidden dirt under furniture with green light precision. Discover a suite of tools for every cleaning challenge. Choose your style with sleek design variations. Illuminate your path to a cleaner home with innovation. Interchangeable heads for all surfaces make it versatile. Edge-to-edge cleaning ensures no corner is left untouched. Specialized heads for hard floors and carpets simplify tasks. Fits seamlessly into any living space with modern appeal. Adjust settings effortlessly with intuitive controls. Cordless freedom means no more tangles or restrictions. Stay informed with real-time status indicators at a glance. Effective even on mattresses, it leaves no dirt behind. Modern technology ensures superior cleaning performance. Up to 60 minutes of runtime keeps you powered through tasks. Mount it or move it, flexibility defines its use. From living rooms to pet beds, it's designed for every home area. Dock and charge effortlessly after each use, ready for next time. Choose from sleek designs that suit your style preference. Illuminate invisible dust with cutting-edge technology. Adaptable heads handle every surface with precision. No corner is unreachable with its comprehensive edge reach. Tailored heads simplify transitions between floor types. Seamlessly fits into your living space, offering modern elegance. Complete your cleaning arsenal with included versatile tools.